Hello tech enthusiasts and future cloud wizards. Welcome back to another exciting video in our educational series. Today, we are going to dive into a very important topic. How do you use Terraform to deploy an ECS Fargate cluster with a load balancer? This is a crucial skill for anyone working with AWS, Docker, DevOps and Kubernetes. Whether you're new to these technologies or just looking for a quick refresher, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's get started. Before we dive into the practical steps, let's quickly clarify some of the jargon involved. Terraform is an open-source, cloud-agnostic infrastructure as code tool used to automate and manage your infrastructure. ECS, or Elastic Container Service, is an AWS offering that allows you to run Docker containers. Fargate is an AWS serverless compute engine for containers that works with both ECS and EKS, AWS's managed Kubernetes service. A load balancer, as the name suggests, balances the load across multiple instances of your applications, improving the distribution of workloads across multiple computing resources. Now, let's jump right into deploying our ECS Fargate cluster using Terraform. The first step is to write our Terraform configuration files. These files will describe the infrastructure resources we want to create. We'll need a provider block for AWS, and then we'll define resources for our VPC, subnets, ECS cluster, Fargate task definition, ECS service, and load balancer. Once we have our configuration files ready, we'll initialize Terraform in our project directory with the command terraform init. This will download the necessary provider plugins for our project. After initialization, we'll run Terraform plan to see an execution plan showing what Terraform will do when you call apply. This step allows us to ensure that our configuration files are correct before making any changes to our infrastructure. If everything looks good in the plan, we'll use the command terraform apply to create the resources defined in our configuration files. This command will prompt you for confirmation before proceeding, so make sure to review the plan carefully. Finally, we'll validate our deployment. We can do this by navigating to the AWS ECS console and checking if our cluster, service, and tasks are running as expected. We can also check our load balancer in the EC2 console to verify that it's correctly distributing incoming traffic to our tasks. And there you have it, a fully functional ECS Fargate cluster deployed with a load balancer, all created with Terraform. This process, once mastered, can save you a world of time and ensure consistency across your deployments, making it an essential tool in your DevOps arsenal. Thank you for tuning into today's video. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!